Hayi ke kuyaphuthuma. Uhalalelo got her hands on her father's phone and she went straight to that video where the father was confessing about the whole entire shebang. Everything from how it started, how did it happen that Talita ended up blackmailing him, to what he did wrong that Talita got the footage of or the evidence of that gave her power for her to even pursue the blackmailing business. So now umntana uyandiza guys, aga go uyaperisha right now, thinking that now the father does not look like the person that he seemed to be, because if he was able to do this and he kept quiet and never said anything, and then now then he decides to do a video where he's explaining everything, which clearly shows that, because on the video he says, by the time you watch this, I will be gone. It could mean one between the two things, ukuthi lo muntu uzologa out, or lo muntu lo he's eloping. So we're not sure if at the time when she was watching the video, she actually thought Tugutu Babu Akenji Agaseko because he was sitting in hospital. Okay, but yeah, I guess she knows, but then the phone says by the time you watch this, I would have been gone. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Dimatekwan, Sanbuanan, Abshin Malwin, Ninjani, Hipukile Hingungwina. So, Namutlaka, Nongwahina was Scandal, Hikumakurusla, Samsakangi Katle, looking at the fact that Utalita Point O is blackmailing her mother. No, Talita is blackmailing his son. Hi, Kazini. Utalita is a masterpiece, from blackmailing a stranger and coercing the stranger into giving her money that belongs to the company, and then her being found. When she was found, she says, before wena ubelehwa, and then you sit on the seat for 2 seconds. Now you want to tell me what to do with the money, but ke madi yami, ke tšhelete yami, ke bereketse. To her now blackmailing somebody, that somebody must steal money from Betchafela and give it to her. Fast forward from there, now she is now blackmailing her child to say, utlo mpatlela lawyer, because how sa mpatlele lawyer tla ba le problem gore kwa pele kwa ha ba botsisa gore why wena as Betchafela o boela motho eleng gore o na le madi mo matsogong a gage. Tata. Talita is the best thing that Scandal has ever had. She is blackmailing everybody, and I'm so afraid to be doing this review because I kind of feel like she's going to blackmail me too. Tapelo is like, how, mama? So, bianong o blackmailer nna. I don't know, ha ko blackmail, ke kopa thuso, and thuso o tlo mpha yone because motho eleng gore wa mo tshireletsa ke mmolai. How does that sound? She's saying this in police custody and threatening her son to give her a best, not just a best lawyer that's going to take her out of the hospital. And also remember, she has footage that Utapelo was part of the people. In fact, Utapelo was in Betchafela when Victor collapsed. So the ammunition here is big. Because if Utapelo wa baizatlo baizamuju ubeke hora revele something's got to give. Speaking of something's got to give, untloso ish isn't as hambi kahle bafwetu. So he goes to Umkhulu Gasa and he was talking to Umkhulu Gasa, saying, Mkhulu, can you talk to Madlomo and tell her we need to talk. This is about Mtunzi, and Mtunzi is not a good person for her. She should reconsider. And then Umkhulu Gasa was like, no, but then you have made your choices of moving out and having a new family. So at this point, you can't be calling the shots. You just have to be concentrating on your family, which I feel like it was a fair argument to have and something that needed to be said. Right. Now he says, no, you don't understand. This is very important. I need ukuthi ngikhulume naye uMadlomo ngimtshele ngomthunzi ngixwayise because umthunzi ubuye ejele. There's a whole lot that she does not know about Umthunzi and she just feel like it's hunky-dory. It's not. I need to ukuthi ngimkhusele. Mkhulu Gasa says no. The phone rings, he answers, and then it was Utinangwe. Tinangwe were trying to speak to Mkhulu Gasa. Mkhulu Gasa just washed it off and said no. Gisase bizo manje. Then Untloso took the phone and started. So he started explaining, and then what is happening. Then he got to find out that sega abantu bale kabomayiza bafuna ukuzohlawula we Chambo dilicheza. Right there, Chambo Delicious. I mean, then he went outside, started kicking the boxes that, hey, shaya yonke into phansi. And then now, here's the funny part. He goes back to Dintle and says, you know what? I love you so much. This therapy has been working for me. I want us to fix things and just make sure that yonke into ihamba kahle. On the other side, Umthunzi, uyatempela, urubona, kinya kunta mahadi, kinya kunta lobola, kinya kuhuhlaula ngwana. Umama wengane athi no, uMadlomo athi no, we can't do malobola mahadi because now my family does not even know that I'm pregnant. I never told them about you. Athi Umthunzi ke na mina, they don't want me, abangifuni, so they don't even want to see me. Athi ke na uMadlomo, don't worry about that. We will sort it out together. And you feel like this is a perfect match where they understand each other. They know how to communicate. They know how to have each other's back. While the other one, uyaperisha. But in him telling Dintle, also telling Dintle that he wants to be there for Dintle and wants to work things out, there was something awkward about it. Something was just not adding up. And nizoti angin chelanga. Nizothi angshongo. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Also remember, we do not post full episode, we review full episode. Remember to subscribe.